So I've been following up. Now, I mean, Ghana reply was that way, so much Canada. And said maybe I must start Yaman to be also. So I thought say by now, no by a one. I'm sorry, pity this year budget. No, now we're all happy that something will happen.
Right.
Because who you worker now for a Juma, who did 2 hours or more in that short distance as a wild with fear. It means the following day, no, there was a race, but because of traffic, who retaining so no, sorry, them. They affect the output of the employees. Share companies are the area. So we really have businesses. Wow. It must say me engage now. These things all are to them. Now, for one of the companies, produce Lily products. The managing director of our train in the Land Cruiser, fresh, new one. Our traffic more be free here before. You know, can't say yes, that traffic and say now it will take him 200,000 Ghana cedis or more before he can fix that car. They talk about say on your drop is so what be our car he can't move.
Wow.
Because that's our car. This is for 10. Now no or how the mouth. It is na affect you. So we'll follow up. Senebea, this year cancel by last year almost the year of road. This year almost answer. They are said yes, we'll ask the necessary questions. And yet Hong Kong toll road no so. And you see a major one. Now toll road no so any road no keke oba companies the olam the other companies say they have security concerns because load truck no not truck no namsa road no so because of the nature of the road is idiot. And because of that these thieves will find the car and Abubuya or other travel follow and then they will be dropping the rice into basins. At gunpoint, this is a driver. The other say you just be driving at that slow pace. Why they do what they are doing?
Honorable, do we have any idea the number of cars are a faster road in Oswede?
The number of
vehicles are a faster road in Oswede.
That one they are less research. Let me approve again. But car tankers, articulated any individual these normal cars. Because they also try to avoid this traffic now. With most cars, toll road, and so much joining barrier. It is our road, it's a very busy road. And I went to Gapuan to a terminal. They will dance on. They say, I need this road before my human best at in situation of
Honorable, well, I know I see near fancy. Why? Of course, but the good news is that many Honorable Amakwata at Chinko and pay. Emma was said by next week, Bahona or my Baba expand the road instead of a traffic in a flow. And so we do hope and pray next week, yeah.
Because yesterday follow up in this party executive for.
Okay.
I actually a week later, friend say at least contract and I say you might work out on him. Or also over that side.
Right.
These are the issues there, and therefore, so you better support to send a demand of cost.
Mate, but that's a honorable. So I Japan and Yachu Chinko, for Honorable Joseph Tete, Member of Parliament for Katamanso constituency, Greater Accra Region, outaining Kanabusia. It's about 7 minutes to the top of the hour. The you want to know the Roads and Highways Minister, Ekache and Anope, concerning the Pong roads. Pong. You cannot tell me Aflawu Road, Pong, the way your Pram Road, and Bacho da Benambe.
Oh, because I want to on contract. President Kati sold, I think November last year. The contractors are there. One crowd, Juma. It was BHM company, the BHM from Great Britain. Only the first 17 kilometers, beyond the Central University. A whole traffic, within the 17 kilometer stretch, there are 5 interchanges. In fact, between now and next week, work to be the limiting. We are visiting the place now. Yes, the short run, emergency, particularly around Junction Hono. So you better widening B or BB, now really reduce traffic,
right.
Immediately, once the long-term, resolve. Okay. Long-term, it's a 6-lane project.
Yeah.
And it's part of the Abidjan Lagos project, under ECOWAS.
Okay.
And that project is so important to us. About 1,028 kilometers, but more than half. 578 kilometers lies within the Ghanaian corridor from Elubo to Aflau.
Okay.
But
right.
If I say a reasonable data.
And that was a Forest and Highways Minister, Honorable Feriata, and I would say in Canada indeed. Idea by next week, now, road no matter de cra, contractor that we fear Jumase. And the Bemonitani closely enough, ya the Honsa Media broke one for Mati de Yamene, I do my family, Yasum dia. But you are not. Ebebo modern aye edi amamo odi be fidia to awuti adon 106.3 FM ma yentumi amfa birthday dedications amamo but yemfa seda kese ma MTN say free after 1 no na say wo ye caller just the first minute and I will bet you ade akanyina free the hia say obe subscribe to o dial star 315 hash star 315 hash now free after 1 was subscribing now with them MTN say because we are good together MTN everywhere you go name channel so say and share kakra eda home ebusia phone be now use him say or phone be or how we use a bad news nko na bet phone be or how we use a won so da ye pada Name phone papa dear who used to have no be a friend. Oh, because sempa and now would do birthday. Sorry, me refi. Only I may send you 5,000 partner them. Oh, ama na at the same bibia boko admission na unya and offer me send you 10,000 at them and no yet. So we use to phone papa. But our phone no and papa dear. At the same me dear ya a plan me be boss watch any bad news o kodakra that you born in our beson. Until I may catch you when say phone papa will be to me use now to say ha where your guy now good news on kwa with them. And no the new Techno Spark 7 to your mommy. It didn't no credit deck. Ubenya Spark 7, but Hemedy and Bra Facebook, never Hemedy and said you crammy. New Techno Spark 7. And no, Osha camera now say go a capture bibia. Na any da hot project and yet by phone nibia with the charm for near about once a bit to tally home. Nadia Huna Papa Debbie, we protein and the battery no so very strong. O charge ya fina kakra and ya wona mana o charge us on. O do a big kiosk one batch o mame fan shame kakra Debbie yam penny wosa. The new Techno Spark 7 and no battery ne last pa. Now dear Declan is a memory no 128 gigabyte and what they store and download the music and yeah dear we WhatsApp images screen my phone so yema and in Gracia Kwaba new Techno Spark 7 and only dear so and I face so 4 gig memory and my phone running fast your videos kakra mo send you WhatsApp have phone freezy and tina me bon ho deru new Techno Spark 7 no o phone shop bia was a phone papa the abano new Techno Spark 7 and no and I'm a pair I was to be now say phone your phone and your phone you call for quick break your babaka I be just watching us here better train come on honorable Titus Glover at Nasi and a kwakubu ahen at Nasi yeah ba